You like big juicy sandwiches? Testing 1, 2, audio's good on everybody?
No, I'm just kidding.
All right, I'm here with my beautiful friends, Lisa and Tiffany, and they're the reason they have a sandwich shop here at Joe Patty's. So tell me, what kind of sandwiches we have here today?
This is the Italian sandwich. It has a picante provolone, capricola, Genoa salami, and tavern ham.
And here we have the Sausalito turkey, and it has 3-pepper Kobe cheese. So if you like it spicy, this is definitely the sandwich for you.
Well, how did this all come to be real quick? Y'all kind of told them, hey, we need to make some sandwiches here with the Boar's Head, right?
Definitely. We started off making, Miss Lisa started making the cold cut sandwiches in the Boar's Head case, and I was like, I want something hot.
We started this creation because we had customers coming in saying, hey, can we get a sandwich? So originally we just started making, you know, like little cold cuts, and then we was like, hey, what if we did something hot where they can come in and order it and it would be fresh here for them?
We have over 11 toppings, but you can also get whatever meat you want.
Yes.
Yeah.
These ladies are a trip, so when you come here and you get a sandwich, you gotta mess with them. You gotta give them a hard time because they'll give it back to you.
Of course.
Right?
Of course.
All right, well, you know what? I say we take these sandwiches over there and dress them up, show everybody how they're made.
Okay, we're gonna use, being that this is a spicy sandwich with the Sausalito turkey and 3-pepper Kobe, we're gonna do a chipotle sauce. Some people like it a little spicy. And then we'll just top that off with just a little bit of regular mayo to maybe to kind of play off the heat. We'll add a little spinach. I like spinach. A couple of jalapeno peppers playing along with the spice. It just kind of tops everything off. And of course they all come sliced. We can do halves, we can do thirds, however you choose to have it sliced.
I'm gonna make the Italian. On the Italian, I like to put a little bit of red onion, a little bit of banana peppers, some tomatoes, and then we top it off with some Italian dressing and mayo and Parmesan cheese and Italian dressing. Let's wrap it up and cut it. There's the Italian.
Thank you, ladies. These sandwiches look delicious.
You're welcome.
One of the things with Joe Patty's, when you're up here shopping for all this seafood, for all this food, you find yourself hungry. You come see Miss Lisa, Miss Tiffany, they'll get you right for your shopping experience here at Joe Patty's. I'm gonna take a little bite of this one.
Okay, now she's spicy.
Well, I like spicy.
Okay.
That's why I like you.
Okay.
Mmm.
That is delicious.